Some months ago we sowed some of the spilanthes, and I showed you in the video how we were separating out the little seedlings. So they've actually matured and we've planted them here, and Gary, my colleague, is keen to actually taste one of these buzz buttons. So in a short while this plant will have a really interesting effect on him, so we have to watch his expression, because the buzz button has actually this buzzy quality, but it's also known as a toothache plant. You get it?
I can already feel it, yes.
Okay, yeah.
The numbness coming in.
Right.
Yeah.
So it contains a local anaesthetic. The spilanthes chemical in it allows for this kind of sedation of the mouth, which would be great if you have toothache, which you don't have.
Yeah, no.
No.
So how long will the buzz last?
So depending on how much you eat and how you feel today,
yes,
it'll be between 2 minutes to 20 minutes.
Right.
So if you want to feel a little bit more buzzy for the day, these are perennial plants that are easy enough to grow and sow. They'll probably go to sleep with us in winter.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to put some in the greenhouse for overwintering and see how they do.
Sounds like a good idea.
But I'm very happy to have tried this for this year. Nice to try something new again.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah? Okay, this is for buzziness.
Buzziness.